Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I am going to show you how we can give permissions to the IAM users, okay, which we have created in the earlier video. Okay, so if you have not seen the video wherein I, go over through the process of creating an IAM user, do check the link in the description of this video and do subscribe to my channel, okay, in case you want to, watch such interesting videos related to the AWS cloud platform, and do press the bell icon to receive updates whenever there is a new video uploaded to the channel. So let's get started. So in this video I am going to sign in back again, okay, to the console using the IAM user which we have created in the previous video. So okay, so I showed you over here that this user that we created in the previous video literally does not have any permission to do anything, right? Because at the time of creation, the root user didn't provided it any permission, right? So I will just keep this window open here, and I will open another private window, okay, and I will tile this window to the left of the screen so that you can see this thing in action. And on the right side we have the IAM user logged in. Okay, so over here I'm just going to go back to awsamazon.com, right, and this time I'm going to sign in using my root account just to show you the process of how we can give permissions to the created user earlier. So I'm going to sign in using the root user email. I'm going to enter my password. Okay, and now we need to enter the MFA code for our root account. So you can check one of my previous videos wherein I show the process of setting up an MFA for the root account. So I'm just going to enter the MFA code from my Authy app which I have got installed on my phone. So it's 976456 and press submit, and we are in the root account, right? So now what we just need to do is we go to IAM service here, okay, and go to the users section. Okay, and the created user is IAM user 2, so I'll just select this user, and in this permission section, right, you can see that we can add permission for our created user, right? So if I press on add permissions, okay, it is telling that do you want to add permission by adding the user to a group, or do you want to attach the policies directly? Now in AWS we provide permission to an entity like user using policies. Okay, policies are nothing but JSON documents, okay, which have some specific actions, specific statements, okay, to give permission in this platform. So I will show you one such policy here. So I'll just go ahead attaching the policies directly. We'll discuss about groups in a later video. Okay, so for now I'm just going to provide a very simple permission which is about IAM read only access. Okay, so if I expand this policy over here, right, so you will see that this is the policy document that I was talking about. So this is nothing but a JSON document, okay, which has some parameters like effect is basically telling that what this policy does, like what is the effect of this policy. It is allowing certain actions basically, and then the actions are related to the IAM service. Okay, so the user now can get anything, list anything, okay, and resources on which thing this policy basically applies. So it applies to all the resources basically. So now I will select this particular policy over here, permission policy, and I will press on the okay, I'll just press on the next button. Okay, and the policy is now added, right? So the policy is now added here, okay, and when I press add permission, one policy is now added for this particular user that you can see here, right? So now if I go back to this other window wherein I have the IAM user 2 signed in, and previously if you remember, when I clicked on IAM, nothing was showing up, right? So if I go to the IAM service now, you can see that now this user can, you know, list anything. He can also see the users that were created, the policies, okay, that are there in this account, right? So if they now have the permission to do these things, okay. Now one important point, okay, that I would like you guys to remember is that you should provide only those permissions which are required for your user to do a specific task. You should not, you know, give them very wide permissions like administrative access and all, unless it is required to do so, okay. So this principle is also known by a name known as the principle of least privilege, okay. So you don't want to give more than required privileges to a user so as to keep your account safe. So this is a very important point. So always evaluate what you need to provide for your IAM user for him or her to do a specific task, okay. This is very, very important, okay. So guys, from this video point of view, this is what I just wanted to show, how to attach a permission to an IAM user. Now you can you know, browse through these permission policies and you can see so many other policies. There is also an administrative access here which actually literally allows any action on a, you know, any resource basically. So so this was about this video, okay. In the next video we are going to discuss how we can do the same thing but in a much better way using user groups actually, okay, and I will explain the concept in that video as well. So if you have liked this video, do subscribe to my channel, like this video and press the bell icon to receive updates whenever there is a new video in the channel. Thank you very much.